Hey there! Thanks for stopping by. Let's dive into something amazing together. Welcome to Next Gen EduBuddies. Don't forget to hit those buttons below to stay connected. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep exploring together.
Manganese, identified as element 25, is essential for industry and life. Manganese's atomic structure includes a composition of 25 protons. The element's atomic number, 25, defines its unique chemical properties. Manganese exhibits versatile properties that contribute to its industrial applications. The rugged nature of manganese makes it suitable for various technological processes. Manganese is an abundant element found within the Earth's crust. Manganese commonly appears as dark minerals, such as pyrolusite. Miners extract manganese ore from mining sites. The extracted manganese ore undergoes refining processes. Refined manganese is prepared for various applications. Over 90% of extracted manganese is used in steel production. Manganese enhances steel's hardness, durability, and overall toughness. The addition of manganese transforms ordinary steel into a vital component. Manganese-enhanced steel is essential for buildings, railways, and machinery. Manganese contributes to the production of robust and long-lasting infrastructure. Manganese is a key component in modern battery technology. Manganese is used in both simple alkaline cells and advanced lithium-ion batteries. Alkaline and lithium-ion batteries power a wide array of devices. Manganese plays a pivotal role in the performance and longevity of battery systems. The versatility of manganese makes it essential for powering diverse applications. Manganese compounds are characterized by their vibrant colors. These colorful compounds are used as pigments in various products. Manganese compounds facilitate numerous chemical reactions. The versatile properties of manganese compounds make them useful in both pigment creation and chemical processes. Manganese is an essential trace element required for various biological functions in humans. Manganese functions as a cofactor, aiding enzymes in the processing of nutrients. Manganese contributes to protecting cells from oxidative damage, promoting overall health. Adequate manganese intake is important for maintaining overall health and well-being. Manganese is essential for photosynthesis in plants. Manganese enables plants to convert sunlight into energy. Photosynthesis is fundamental to plant growth and survival. Manganese deficiency impairs the photosynthetic process. Manganese is crucial for the green world. Steel beams reinforced with manganese are essential for the structural framework of skyscrapers. Manganese enhances the durability and strength of steel used in construction. The use of steel in skyscrapers contributes to safer and more robust building designs. Steel's high tensile strength makes it a reliable material for vertical construction. Train tracks facilitate the efficient transportation of goods and people. Manganese-enhanced steel strengthens train tracks for heavy loads and high speeds. Railways enable the movement of goods and people across vast distances. Efficient transportation networks are crucial for economic development and connectivity. Modern railway systems rely on advanced materials and engineering for safety and reliability. Bridges serve as vital infrastructure, connecting communities and facilitating trade. Manganese-containing steel is used in bridge construction due to its strength and durability. The structural integrity of bridges ensures safe and efficient transportation. Bridges enable the efficient movement of goods and people, supporting economic growth. Modern bridge designs incorporate advanced materials and engineering techniques for enhanced performance. Lithium-ion and alkaline batteries both utilize manganese in their chemical composition. These batteries are commonly used to power a wide array of modern electronic devices. The charging process involves a chemical reaction facilitated by manganese within the battery. Manganese plays a crucial role in the performance and stability of both battery types. Manganese compounds are utilized as pigments, imparting vibrant purple and pink hues to various solutions. The colorful solutions demonstrate manganese's application in chemical processes, requiring distinct color properties. Manganese-based pigments are widely incorporated into paints, dyes, and other coloring agents. The unique electronic structure of manganese allows its compounds to absorb and reflect light in specific ways, resulting in their characteristic colors. The use of manganese compounds and pigments extends to various industries, including textiles, plastics, and ceramics. Enzymes within cells utilize manganese to process nutrients. Manganese plays a crucial role in the biological functions of enzymes. The enzyme-manganese interaction facilitates nutrient breakdown and assimilation within the cell. This process demonstrates the biological importance of manganese in cellular metabolism. Blood circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells throughout the human body. Manganese plays a vital role in maintaining cellular health and function within the circulatory system. Adequate manganese levels support the structural integrity of blood vessels, ensuring efficient blood flow. Manganese contributes to the production of enzymes that protect cells from oxidative stress within the bloodstream. Proper cellular function, supported by manganese, is crucial for overall circulatory health and systemic well-being. Manganese is essential for photosynthesis in plants, facilitating the water-splitting complex in chloroplasts. Manganese deficiency impairs chlorophyll synthesis, leading to chlorosis and reduced photosynthetic efficiency. Manganese activates various enzymes involved in plant metabolism, including those related to nitrogen assimilation and amino acid synthesis. Manganese contributes to the structural integrity of cell walls, enhancing plant resistance to pathogens and environmental stress. Adequate manganese levels promote robust root development, improving nutrient and water uptake from the soil. Manganese availability in soil is influenced by pH, with higher pH reducing its solubility and plant uptake. Manganese contributes significantly to the health and vitality of plant life. The presence of manganese supports a thriving and balanced ecosystem. Visual representation of manganese's impact on plant growth and overall environmental health. Manganese plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of green fields. The overall impact of manganese is evident in the vibrant and healthy state of the environment.
Don't forget to click subscribe and join the family. There's so much more coming your way. Subscribe now and never miss out on the fun.